job title is Instrument and Controls Technician. I've been in this position for 7 years, and part of my job is to calibrate instrumentation to keep the plant safe. So I started with a work study program and started in a clerical field, and then I transferred in probably halfway through my career. I went into the technical side. And how I achieved my technical information, we have outage response teams where we work and support the outage, and we go out and learn about the different equipment that's on the plant, and then I learned hands-on that way. Several people that are in my group, they have come from the Navy, and so they had hands-on experience working on, ships. The third way is going through the community college and receiving training. In my current position, I am the only female, but there have been other females in these positions. But it's a career path that's open for a diverse group of people. If you're technically sound as a female and you are able to learn about the instrument controls, you can withstand, working in this predominantly male field. I was just promoted to the instrument controls supervisor, so you can see we're 7 years of experience that I was able to be promoted, and that my general supervisor, he understands that I am able to perform that function in this company. If you have Algebra 1 and 2, I always find it amazing that we do use that type of math here, percentage and rationaling of equations. The worst day would be, tripping the unit. I mean, causing the unit to trip because you did improper maintenance. So we want to be very careful on the things that we work. So our tasks here are critical. A critical job to make sure that we're not going to cause anything to happen. Well, I guess one myth that people may have about this position is that radiation. The radiation doses in majority of the jobs here are very low. For myself, the systems that I have worked on, I have probably received like 20 milligrams, and that's very small. Not saying that there's not high doses of radiation here, but they're always in a controlled area, and you would never get yourself in a situation where you weren't familiar with where you're going to be working. A great day for me is that you're going out and you're working on equipment and that everything is in spec. So when I say it's being in spec, is that I don't have to make an adjustment. That the test equipment that I have is able to perform the function that we need to perform the job, and making sure that the equipment is safe, and that I'm safe, and that the public is protected by what I'm working on. This is a fun job path. It's very challenging, but it's rewarding in the end. It's a good opportunity to learn about different systems that we have at the site, and you have several opportunities to expand your horizon in the company. It takes a person that is willing to be challenged every day and willing to learn new things.